it's your girl Carrie for another unboxing video. We have like 6-7 boxes, lots of McFarlane, some other fun stuff, so let's get started. These boxes are also a little open. Ooh, from Card Captors, it's our girl Sakura with her little pal. She's going to school. She's having a nice time. I feel like this is kind of a basic outfit for Sakura. I guess her school outfits were more basic than her like fighting outfits. Still cute. And then from Demon Slayer, oh, we have a sitting pose. Oh look, he's eating some rice buns. Cute. He looks very happy. Hanging out, having lunch. Very nice. Oh, from the best Christmas movie ever, it's Gizmo from the Gremlins. He's got his 3D glasses. He's going to see a movie. I'm going to see a movie. I love it. What else? I think we've seen these before, but I'm going to show them here. We've got some more Jimi Hendrix. Maui live version. Got his eyes closed. He's really digging the rhythms. And the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. It's Leatherface wearing someone else's face. Spooky. All right. One box down. All the goodies in this box. We got a bunch of plushies. So the DTC Kaizen, sunglasses guy, pink-haired guy, the mask guy, all the friends together. Have Five Nights at Freddy's Groom Fox. He's got his patch. He is ready to attack. He's got his mouth open. And then this is also Jujutsu Kaisen. You can tell because of the panda. They're my favorite character. Let's see. I guess they're like little mini figures. Oh yeah, but you can tell which ones they are. That's nice. You can get the full set, all the characters. They're pretty small, but very cute. And there's the full lineup. Everyone's in an action pose, ready to break down, ready to jam. Right. And we got some Funkos here that are very well up. Ooh. Alright, so first it's Doctor Strange from the SpiderMan movie. He has a shovel. I feel like if you have that much magic, you don't need a shovel. But obviously I haven't watched the movie yet, so there's probably context. And then King Shark. I know one person's gonna be stoked about this. Finally came in. But I also have an extra one if you are also stoked to see it. Oh my god, this took forever to come in. It's Loki from the TV show Loki. This is his businessman attire. He's in the office, playing cool. Very nice. Alright, some more could be. Alright. Ooh. So, it looks like we've got some more SpiderMan. This is him in the upgraded suit. He can fly. He's got webs. And also from Loki, it's Sylvie. She's got her horns. And she's got her dagger. Her mouth is face kind of crunched up, like she's squinting at you, giving you the dirty eye. Alright, and the last box in the box. Ooh. It's Grogu! And he has cookies! He's got a whole can of blue cookies. Look how cute he is. Little Grogu from the Mandalorian. Nice. Alright. Now, to the McFarlanes. This is wild. From Dark Knight's Metal, it's the Joker Dragon. That looks fucked up, man. What is going on? Very scary. This is like the scariest looking dragon I've ever seen. Look at that face. I don't know if I'd try. I guess just, I don't know. And it's like he's got like a bone sticking out. It's like half dead. Spooky dragon. Oh my god. I mean, nightmares. Alright. And we've got Spud. He comes with a throne and a cape. Let's see. Not really sure what all this is. I don't know what that is. Oh, I guess it looks like it just goes into the throne. It's got kind of this like hanger. Looks like this. That's a badass picture right there. And there he is in all his glory. That's a sick figure. I live. All right. Next box. We'll bring out the whole box. Alright, so from Arkham Knight, we have the Arkham Knight, Batman. He's got a super intense uniform, looks pretty bulletproof. And he's got his grapnel and some kind of like bombs kind of thing. There he is in the back. Hardcore. And then from DC Rebirth, we've got Godspeed. Kind of looking like a Flash. Comes with some energy. There he is in his white and gold. Nice looking suit. He looks pretty evil. And from Injustice 2, it's the Green Arrow. Comes with, of course, his sheath and his bow. Oh, and there's arrows in there, appropriately colored, of course. Staying on brand, as always. Alright, I got a couple of those. Last McFarlane box. We've got Reverse Flash. This one is also from Injustice 2. Comes with some lightning bolt energy. Show how fast he's going. There he is on the run. Very nice. And then we have, Batman Duke Thomas from Tales from the Dark Multiverse. Look at that sword that he's got. And he's got this like face shield. Good for COVID. Looking pretty hardcore. There he is on the back. Oh, he even has like these like horns. I love that. I wish I had horns. I think that would be a good look. A ninja spawn. Kind of Mortal Kombat vibes. He's got some swords. There he is in his fighting pose. Also have Raven spawn. I feel like I've gotten this one before. He is freaking scary looking. He's got some hardcore weapons. Look at the face on that. Face only a mother could love. I got a couple of those. Oh, and then this is the back. Very mysterious. Very nice. 22 moving parts, fully articulated. Very nice. All right. The last box. I got Stardew Valley, the board game, restocked. Very exciting. Best video game ever comes to your board. And then here we have Batman of Earth, minus 22 infected. It's negative 22. This is from Dark Knight's Metal. He's all green and mutant-y. I like his little thing matches. He's very on brand. Oh, look, there he is, looking spooky. He has got a pretty scary looking face too. Yikes. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you for tuning in. See you next time. Oh, like and subscribe.